Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File by Google full guide. Open Files by Google and allow storage permissions, then tap Browse to see categories and the Clean tab. I will walk you through using clean, browsing folders, searching files, and sharing or deleting safely. Follow along step by step and pause if you need to try a feature on your device for hands-on practice. Clearing clutter is simple and satisfying, and I will show you which clean options are safest. Start with spam and trash, then remove duplicate images and large downloads you no longer need. I recommend reviewing each suggestion before deleting and using Secure Delete for sensitive material. This approach keeps storage healthy while protecting important files, and it makes future backups and transfers much faster and easier. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos for you. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which has voice control and saves time so you can focus on organizing files. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Organizing files keeps your phone tidy and makes things easier to find later, so I will guide you through folder creation and multi-select. Long press any file to pick several and move them into folders, or hit share to send items through messages or nearby share. I will also explain how to rename, copy to an SD card, and check file details so you always know size and location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.